Time for figure unboxing. Today we're unboxing Hercules, the Prince of Power. The hero of Olympus, Hercules uses his mythic strength to prove he is worthy of immortality. So it has his golden mace. I believe Hercules in the Marvel Universe first appeared in a Thor annual, where Thor got actually transported to Asgard. So yeah, let's unbox it. And of course, it's not as straightforward as it looks. I'm sure you need to drink the regular told me things. Sheesh. So we got the extra head. Okay, articulation. Yeah, spare hands and the mace. Okay. Double down. And out. You can do the Hulk Hogan pose.
What you gonna do, brother, when Hercomania runs wild on you?
Yeah, overall, pretty good. Yeah, I'm a professional reviewer. That's what about the best you're gonna get from me. Let's see, can you take the head off easily? Can we switch the head off? Fabric runs the waist. Overall, pretty good. Alright, that was my unboxing of Marvel Legends Hercules. Comment, subscribe, hit that bell icon if you're new. Until next time, we'll see you next time here on Book 049. Later days.